Welcome to the final part of this mini-series of videos explaining how to set up and use BRadmin Professional to configure and monitor Brother devices over the internet through Microsoft Azure. In part 1, I explained how to create the necessary resources in Microsoft Azure. A link to it is now on your screen. In part 2, I then explained how to use these Azure resources when setting up BRadmin, which, when used to manage remotely connected Brother devices over the internet, is referred to as BRadmin Master. In part 3, I explained how to create and install the client version of BRadmin, which is one of the two ways to get remote Brother devices communicating with Azure. I then explained the alternative way by getting Brother devices communicating with Azure Direct. In this, the final video, I will return to the BRadmin Master in order to view remotely connected devices. Links to all the previous additional videos are in the description. Let's get started. I have reopened BRadmin Master and will click the Devices tab. Since this is the first time I have used BRadmin Master after installing the Manchester client, that's the Manchester client of BRadmin, it won't have found any devices, which is perfectly normal at this stage. In order to find them, I will click the Discover button, which will eventually find the two Brother devices that belong to Jevons Supermarkets. We can tell that they belong to Jevons Supermarkets thanks to the information shown here. We can also tell that none of these devices are connected direct to Azure, but instead are connected through a single BRadmin client. But how can we find where this client is located? By clicking the Clients tab, where the name of each BRadmin client can be found. And this is why I changed the identity of the BRadmin client in part 3 of this video series. I hope this video series has been helpful to you. Thank you for watching.